Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to show your phone screen on a Windows computer. You can share phone screen and laptop through a built-in casting method. So in order to use screen mirroring, you must firstly set up and enable this feature on your Android and your Windows PC. On your computer, go to the settings, tap this one, and tap the settings icon. Here, tap Systems, and here, choose Projecting to this PC. If the wireless display feature is not enabled, then you need to add it first. Just tap Optional Features. Now, tap Add a feature. From the list, select Wireless Display and tap Install. And select here Available Everywhere. Now, your computer is ready for connection, and you just need to request a connection from the Android device. So tap this one. On your Android phone, slide down and enable the screen mirroring or this screencast. This time, select your computer from the list of Discover devices to request the connection. After doing so, your phone is now connected to your computer. And whatever you are doing on your mobile device, it will be shown on your computer in real time, including the audio. To cancel the mirroring, just tap the screen share or screencast, or for other phone, it's Smart View, or just tap exit or disconnect from the PC. And that's it. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.